question. Have you ever opened AutoCAD or Revit and thought, do you really need all of this just to make a simple plan? Then I have got the perfect solution for you. As an architecture graduate, I've been there. And that's why I'm excited to show you Rayon, an easy to use software. I know how frustrating these tools can be, especially for beginners when you just want an easy and quick, simple solution. So Rayon is the perfect alternative, and in this video I'll give a quick run through of some of the tools and things you can achieve with it.
Hi guys, so I'm gonna talk about a new software that I recently discovered, which is quite good for architecture, and it's an alternative to CAD. So if you type in Rayon and then software and scroll down until you see this. So this is what you'd see. It basically gives you a range of different templates. Like there's bedroom one, there's stuff for office space if you want to explore. There's like starter models. More specifics like bathrooms. Loads of tutorial like how to set up your model, how to enter files, and how to draw, and different like drawing tools as well. And then the other side is where your tab is. So your favorite one, you can just favorite your models that you like, and just easy to find them that way. Then this is more like in your personal tab, and more in terms of the templates. So you see a range like 2 bedrooms, more detailed ones like this, big, complex, more specifics in terms of like bathtubs, etc. So pretty based on your preference. There's loads scrolling down. And then you have tutorials, which just teaches you the basics, like how to draw, how to use layers, things like that. And then you have your trash on the side where if you don't need any model, you can get rid of them. So let's test one of the. I'm gonna start with a 2-bedroom one. So click use, for example, one of the tutorials. It'll lead you to like a YouTube video around. It will explain all the steps and really simple. It will explain all the steps and really simple. Yeah, quick and easy as well. 2 minutes long. Yeah, quick and easy as well. And there's other ones like editing tool. So there's other ones like editing tool. Yes, another one is 4 minutes long. Click on this one. Yes, another one is 4 minutes long. Click on that. Outlining how the tools look. Click on that. So if you want to start a new model from scratch, click this. If you want to start a new model from scratch, click this tab for you. You have your menu tab for you. Create new model. You have your menu at the side. Like that. Create new model. This is your canvas. Like that. And this is your different blocks. So like libraries, animals, different blocks. So different libraries, animals, bathrooms, stars, like shapes, walls, different stars, like shapes, walls. Then you have pages if you want to add separate ones, table. You have pages if you want to add separate ones, comments, table. Quite useful if you want to. Then the comments, which is quite useful. Make a note if you want to. Then the collaborate someone else, or just make a note at the bottom. These are your drawing tools. At the bottom, quite simple. These are your drawing tools. Click on it, and quite simple. So move your mouse up, click again, and literally move your mouse up, click again. Then you have your click again. You can also do an arc. Then you have your roll, and that makes an arc. You can also do an arc. And yeah, so have a bit of fun playing around with it, and that makes an arc. And then you have different polygons, which is basically another line joined together. And then you have different polygons into one shape, which is basically another line joined together. There you go. So it's all combined into one shape if you want to be precise. And then you have dimensions, and then copy and measure the shape. There's a range of other ones: copy, move, paste. If you want to be precise, block. So and then copy and block. There's a range of other ones: copy, move, paste. Okay. Well, some of them you need to upgrade. Add a block. Find an animal, a free one. Cat. Okay. Well, some of them you need to upgrade for. Okay, so you click on it and you can drag a free one. Then it imports it. Okay. And then put the button you can scale up and down. Okay, so you click on it and you can drag it, hover a bit, you can rotate it and it imports it. And there you go. Button you can scale up and down. Or if you hover a bit, you can rotate it as well. And then you have different sections, kitchens, bathrooms. You have zone dividers as well if you want to divide your room. And then you have different sections, calculates the area basically. Of zone dividers as well, if you want to divide your room. And yeah, arrange like trim, so if you want to calculate the area basically, so it's no longer the same as the other ones. And yeah, arrange like trim, so if you want to trim part of the wall, trim the other view as well. The same as the other ones. Come on, no longer like together. And then the side you can change the background, for example. Based on your preference. Come on. And then the side you can change the background, for example. And then these are one of the templates. This is a starter pack. So this is what you can achieve with some of the drawing. So like labeling, furniture, and then the pages as well. And then these are some views. So like section views. You can achieve. What it looks like basically. So if you go to a model, change the background back white. Doors. Here we go. Opening, so doors. Here we go, so door. Good view. Overall, and let's just fuse that bit. So yeah, back to the office bit. Can also create like a mood board, so based on your colours. Can also create like a mood board, so based on your colours, for example, it to be, and what you want, for example, it to be. And then this is an example that I did a while back. And then this is an example that I did a while back. Small complication, read the root, select it, small complication, open, select it, press open. So this is the plan. So this is hatch as well, like different hatches if you click on it. You can hatch it as well, like different hatches if you click on it. Scroll down, you have different hatches like rollers, and different hatches like rollers, whatever your preference is. Whatever your preference is. And then the stroke as well. So you can change it, and then the stroke as well. So you can change it based on the colour. So blue, change it back to blue. Change the wall styles as well. Change the wall styles as well. So good at that. Really pasting the graphics like that. And you can do mood boards as well. Like visualize mood boards as well. And it also allows you to contact, insert different images. And it also allows you to insert different images and colour types. So just that's one of the examples. Explore. So that's one of the examples. Yeah, there's a whole range of things. Yeah, there's play a whole range of things to doing different door opening, doing different door openings. You can also search commands like. You can also search commands like. Easily drawn. Thanks for listening, guys, and following along to the video. If you have any questions or want me to run through a more specific in-depth guide of how to use Rayon really step by step, put your comments below and check out my AutoCAD Instagram if you want to find out more about me. And yeah, if you have any other suggestion of videos you'd like to see, let me know.